Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to schedule auto turn on and off on your JVC Smart TV. So unfortunately, the Fire OS will not let us do this directly on the TV, but we can still easily do it using our smartphone. So grab your smartphone, no matter whether it's an Android or an iPhone device. All we have to do is open the Play Store or the App Store and search for Alexa application. Once you find Amazon Alexa from Amazon, click install and wait until this application is installed on your TV. And in this application, we'll be able to set up the routines for scheduling the auto power off and power on our TV. So right now, let's wait until this application is downloaded and installed. And once the Alexa is installed on your smartphone, let's open the app and then let's skip the introduction screen. But before we do that, you're gonna have to sign into your Amazon account. It has to be the same one that you are signed in on your TV. So let's enter the email and then the password, of course. Let me do this off the screen. And then you're gonna have to tap sign in. Wait until you are signed in. Now select your name, skip, set up my features, later, skip, later. That's everyone, done. Okay. Then you're gonna have to tap on this icon on the bottom bar of your application, later, this one, and then go to routines. Once you have opened the routines section, you're gonna have to tap the plus icon in the top right corner of the application. Now, here in the when section, add an event and select schedule. Then select add time. For example, at time, we can also use sunrise or sunset. If you want to turn on your TV on sunrise and turn it off on during sunset, when the sun sets, or the other way around. Or if you want to use specific time, select set time. Then in the repeat section, we can choose the days when we want our TV to turn on automatically. So let's use each day of the week, and at time here let's select 8 a.m. click OK, then click next in the top right corner of the screen, and then Alexa will click the plus icon right here, then find your Fire TV and select your TV here, then select turn on, then next and save. Okay, and so the auto turn on is scheduled. Now if you want to schedule auto turn off, tap the plus icon once again and select. Now in when, we have to select the same thing, so the schedule and then at time, and then repeat at time. Let's set, I don't know, 12. Okay, next. Oh, misclick, next, and then save. Oh no, not save, but okay, we can still edit this routine. To edit your routine, go to your routines and select your routines tab, then go to the one that we haven't finished, and here of course we're gonna have to add an action and select our Fire TV once again, and then turn off, then next, and then finish. And so right now the auto turn on and auto turn off of the TV are scheduled. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.